Morning class. Welcome back to BPS e-learning again. I am your English teacher Madhurika Devi. Class, as we have completed explanation of the chapter number 6, no further than Monday. Today we have to do word meaning and hard word of the chapter number 6, and then we will start question answer and other exercises of the chapter. Question answer, they are you have to write minimum 5 to 6 question answer and one exercise, that is match the column. And the first, what you have to do, you have to write word meaning in your copy, and then 10 hard words. And hard words you have to write your own, means you will write, you will find out the difficult word from the chapter and write your own. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how to write hard word. Means you have to select your own word, your difficult word, and then write it and show me it. And then you have to write word meaning. Word meaning, the first word is Bandipur. It is a name of a place near Bangalore, near Mussoorie, a national park for wild animal close to Mussoorie. Bangalore, you know very well, name of a city, very famous city, Bangalore. Bombay, again, the film city, you know very well. And cantonment means class military area. Cantonment means military area. And expedition means a journey with definite purpose, means when we travel to any place for some purpose, so that is called expedition. फ्लैग डाउन मीन्स क्लास, जैसे हम लोग वेव करते हैं ना किसी को, हमें लिफ्ट लेनी होती है या फिर किसी को रोकना होता है रोड पे, तो हम लोग ऐसे वेविंग करते हैं ना हैंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लैग डाउन. Guffared means loved heartily and loudly. Itinerary, Mussoorie state, pursed, poured, prompted, sarcastically, saving, tender, umpteen and bit. I will explain it in detail, class. Okay? So you have to write it and learn it also. Yes. Bandipur, a national park for the wild animal close to Mussoorie. Bangalore, old name of Bengaluru. Bombay, old name for Mumbai. Cantonment, an area of a town in which military people live. Here an area of the city. Military area, जहाँ पे वो मिलिट्री की कॉलोनी वगैरह रहती हैं. Expedition, a journey with a definite purpose, means traveling place or definite journey with some purpose. Flag down, again to wave at, to make it stop, जैसे हम लोग लिफ्ट लेते हैं. Guffed, loved heartily and loudly. When we love very delightfully, very heartily, loudly, that is guffed. Guffed. Itinerary, a route or proposed route of a journey, means the decided distance to cover. Mussoorie state, the previous name of Karnataka state. Purge, dry and thirsty, they feel thirsty. Poured, studied carefully. Prompted, reminded. Sarcastically, class, it in a cutting or mocking tone, मतलब किसी को हम जब मजाकिया स्टाइल में बोलते हैं ना, पैंग करते हैं हम लोग जब पैंग, या फिर किसी को थोड़ा सा जॉली नेचर में होता है ना, जो बहुत से लोग सरकास्टिकली बोलते हैं ना कि अच्छा तुम ये चीज़ कर सकते हो, लाइक दिस. Saving, thin slices especially of wood, means when you cut your pencil, तो जो वो कटिंग जो रहती है, that is called saving. Tendon, a band of tough fiber that connected a muscle to bone, means वो जो हम लोग ले आते हैं ना गरम पट्टी, जिसको तुम लोग बोलते हो, मतलब नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में हम लोग बोलते हैं, दैट इज tendon. Pumpkin, many relatively large but not exact number, means some collection of something but not counted. ठीक है. Wit means intelligent, quickness to see, to understand something. Class, these words you have to write in your copy, and you also have to learn it. First, write one side word meaning, means word with black pen and मीनिंग विथ ब्लू प्लेन. ठीक है. अब वन थिंग क्लास, जो आप लोग कर देते हो ना, यू ड्रॉ द लाइन टू राइट वर्ड मीनिंग, तो डोंट ड्रॉ द लाइन, जस्ट वन साइड राइट द वर्ड, देन कंप्लीट द फर्स्ट, यू हैव टू राइट द वर्ड, देन मीनिंग, देन अगेन द नेक्स्ट वर्ड एंड देन मीनिंग. डोंट ड्रॉ द लाइन. ठीक है. एंड क्लास, you have to write 10 hard words. Go through the video and go through the chapter and find out 10 difficult word, underline it, then write in the copy, and then try to find out their meaning from your dictionary or with the help of Google, and then show it to me. I will check it tomorrow class. So you have to show me word meaning and hard words. A class watch the video twice. That's why I said you have to show me the work tomorrow. ठीक है. तो the video is long. You have to watch it carefully, then read the chapter, and then find out the difficult words. So it's enough for today class.